Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI on mobile for both iOS and Android app setup using the easy method. This is a great way to open your fresh writing workspace on your current setup session so you can talk to the smart assistant helper safely on your phone screen. Step 1. Open your phone's App Store and search for the official tool. The first step is to turn on your mobile phone screen, unlock your device, and head straight into your main digital application marketplace. Tap on the App Store icon if you are using an Apple phone, or tap on the Google Play Store icon if you are using an Android phone. Move your finger to the long white search bar sitting at the very top of your screen workspace, type the words Claude AI using your phone keyboard, and hit the search button. Look through the search result list that slides open, find the official item created by the company named Anthropic, and tap on its picture profile card. Because you want to make sure you do not accidentally download a fake copy or a cheap lookalike tool. Going into the official store ensures you are grabbing the real, safe version directly from the main company servers. Opening this central store panel gives you a clear baseline view of the download files before you put them onto your device memory card. Step 2. Download and install the application onto your device. Next, you need to trigger the installation path so your mobile device can fetch the app files from the internet and place them neatly onto your home screen layout. Move your finger to the large button that says Get or Install right next to the app logo icon, tap it once, and verify your identity using your face scan, fingerprint button, or personal App Store password. Watch the little circular progress ring spin around flat against your background view as the file downloads completely onto your mobile storage space. Because the application needs to build a permanent homeroom inside your phone's memory card. If you do not tap this button to install the tool, you would be forced to use your slow phone internet browser every single time you want to type a question. Installing the app builds a direct, fast pathway that allows the Assistant program engine to run smoothly on your portable hardware canvas rows. Now that the tool is sitting on your home screen, you need to launch it and link it to your personal email identity so the system can open your private workspace room. Find the new icon on your phone screen canvas rows, tap it once to open the entry gate, choose your preferred login path like Continue with Google, or type your regular personal mail address into the empty input box and tap the large Continue button. If you are using a standard email, check your personal mailbox on your phone, copy the temporary security numbers they sent you, and paste them back into the active verification box. Because it connects your mobile phone session to your master profile history. If you already used this writing tool before on your big desktop computer, signing in with the exact same mail details forces the system to sync your past chat records straight to your handheld device. It ensures your workspace behaves seamlessly across all your screens without losing a single word. If you're new, type your name into the display field line, tap through the introductory safety explanation slides, tap your finger inside the long empty writing bar at the very bottom that says Start a new chat, type a simple test message, and hit the little send arrow. And that's it. To use Claude AI on mobile, you must first open your phone's App Store or Google Play Store and search for Claude AI on your screen. Then you move your finger to tap the Install button to download the official application onto your screen canvas rows. Next, you open the new app and sign in using your regular email address to sync your personal chat history folder files. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.